in. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything's on me, you better what, add it up.
Hey y'all, what's up? This is Afed Hemi. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and share. If you're not, still like and share. So today it's gonna be a long day today. So we have like one car show, 2 car meets. I'm just going to the morning cars and coffee right now, and let me show you all. As you all can see, it's only 7:40 right now, and I'm kind of late. I was supposed to meet up with my group at like 7:30. But as you can see, the weather right now, it's raining. I washed my car last night and I'm very it's not gonna help anymore. So yeah, but I'm driving to the spot where I'm gonna meet up with some friends, and then we're gonna just cruise together to the car meet really after, like the cars and coffee after that together. And then we have like another meet right after that, and it's like a car show basically, and I'm in the showcase. And then after that there is another meet that's like at night time, but in between, like this meet is gonna last till like 4 p.m. and then like the next meet is still actually starts at like from 6 to 9, but in between I'm getting new tints for my front windshield, so I'm excited. I'm gonna just take you all with me today, and I was like, I'm gonna show you all what's going on today. Like, I know I haven't posted anything, but like today I think it's like worth posting some stuff, because like especially it's like the season ender, so like most car stuff is gonna be like one of the car show that's happening today. It's like from one of my car group, and then like it's like basically like the season ender. So I'm excited and sad at the same time, because there's not gonna be any more car meets after that, like till like the next season. But hey, we'll figure out something, you know. That sounded so good. What's up? How are you?
Pretty good. Boom. We can almost do a camera bump.
Yeah, we can. You know, it's a good turnout even with the rain right now.
Yeah, not bad at all. It'll get a little better.
Yeah.
How you doing?
You find my way?
You have that pink and black. All right, don't do it. Don't do it a lot.
Do it a lot.
Just don't drive off.
And the rev limiter's off a bit, so it's even louder.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna get kicked out. Like if we like. Damn. Man, that's sweet as fuck. Good turnout though. There's like more cars over there. Skyline goes hard. You got Ferrari here too. That's a nice Ferrari. I love the color on it. And the Audi too. Damn, all nice cars.
See that?
Oh, I didn't see it. What group is that? Oh, this one. I don't even know the name of it.
This is like art. Little art on you. Look at it.
Like, damn. Oh, that Corvette is so nice. That's like one of my favorite Corvette.
Yep. doggo.
So you just get carried.
First Justin.
We've been up since 8 a.m. So
Alright, I gotta go tell him how many cars.
Did you go to like Cars and Coffee? I didn't see you there.
I was just walking around. You know what's funny? This is the first meet that I met you at. Was this one?
I know.
Yeah, he's like.
He sent me like a snapshot of this dog, and I was like, he's so cute.
He's spoiled already. I just got him last Thursday, and he has so many toys. And it's not even.
How old is he? Is he or she?
It's a he. His name's Maximus.
Maximus? Oh, hey.
He's 3 months. Yeah, you're tired, aren't you? Alright, come here.
He just love over here. He's just like, yep, I'm gonna sleep here. Oh, he's so cute.
He's very spoiled. Right from bottom.
Very nice. Yeah. Damn. That's this Torino, like that's clean as fuck.
Check up there and see if these spots are left. Like, okay. On those lines. No problem. I'll be back.
They're like still, yeah. They're like when I was like standing there, they're like still like I was like 6 spots on like left side and like 3 on the right side.
It's a road, right?
That's our cars right here. It's about to rain, man. Bruh, look at those cars right now. Cars looking clean, all the chargers right here. We got food vendors. You see his brakes? Slow jump.
Yeah, that. What happened to his plate? It's gone.
Stolen car.
Imagine. Oh, dude, what happened to his plate? That's crazy.
He probably took it off before the car show.
That is very low.
Damn. It's hard. Yep, I'm gonna sit in my car.
Chill in my car. Feel free to sit in my car if you want to.
doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. Never fall, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll. Euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me,